We live in halcyon times. Halcyon. We live, we exist, we dance and boogie between two extremes. And on each extreme, on each end, is only non existence. We live in the middle, we live in the midst, the halcyon time. It was Imhotep who said, "Eat, drink, and be merry, for tomorrow we die." He knew that this was a halcyon time. This was the time to dance. Because, no, I'm not going to go there yet. Let's go further. Yo, we live on a time on the planet where the oxygen level is just right for us. But recall, we haven't always been here. The oxygen level was not right for humans to exist. On the other hand, in the far future, the oxygen levels on this planet will not be right for humans to exist. So on both ends of that extreme, here we are in the middle, the halcyon time, the time to dance. We live in the age of the universe where stars are still being born. Get a telescope, man. The universe is, we're on the planet Earth going 66,000 miles per hour. You heard me? 66,000 miles per hour around our central primary star that we name Sol, that we call regularly the sun. It's a technical term. It's called Sol. We live on Terra, Terra. We call it Earth. Mars is our neighbor. Venus is our other closest neighbor. Mercury is the planet closest to our star. This is real astronomical facts. And we only exist at the time now when it is possible to exist. The halcyon time. It would have been impossible for anything to exist on the planet Earth when it was first formed. Impossible for anything to exist on the surface of this planet Earth in another 4 billion years when our central star decides to explode and expand and swallow the planet. That's going to happen. That's not a guess. That's not a, some weird guess. That's not some prophecy junk. That's a scientific fact. Our star, the sun that we look at and gives us summertime and warms and gives us our suntans. In 4 billion years, that sucker's going to run out of energy. He's going to run out of gas. And last you looked and last I looked, there's no local gas station for the sun to pull up to and get filled up again. So once he runs out of gas, well, do the science. Google the rest of what happens. And then you understand what I say, that we live now in the halcyon times. Halcyon. It's important to recognize that we live in a time that where you look at right now, your horizons all around you, your inertial frame, your inertial frame of reference to get relativity on you is halcyon. You live in peak time. We live in peak time. We all do. The planet does. A reality of existence that we experience right now is the halcyon time. You would have not wanted to experience the reality at the moment of the Big Bang. And you do not want to be there at the end, at the Big Rip. Oh, yeah, the universe is infinite. Halcyon times. This is real. There's a reason that you could only remember the past and not remember the future. There's a reason for that. It's called entropy. Entropy is some serious stuff. And it tells you, it reminds you often, if you just look at it, glance at it, that you live now in halcyon times. This is the dance. This is it. Yo, our sun is falling towards the center of our galaxy at some fantastic speed. I remember some astronomer, Neil deGrasse Tyson, my hero, he said, the Earth is falling towards the sun. Understand how this thing works. I want you to understand how this works. You know, you went to science class in 9th grade and you saw the circle of the sun and then little circles around it, and like these little circles were the orbits of the planets, and the sun was just something just sitting there. The universe is moving. Everything is moving relative to each other. Our central star, soul, our sun, is flying through the Milky Way galaxy at tremendous speeds. Along with it, we drag our family of other stars and planetary systems that are all falling towards the center of our galaxy, the central part of gravity for the galaxy. But wait, why hasn't it all fallen in? Because the central part of our galaxy is itself falling, constantly being attracted to the Virgo supercluster. It's a huge structure in our universe that our galaxy and the local group of galaxies that are with us are falling towards. It is literally, astronomers will tell you, as if we are falling towards a gigantic wall in the cosmos. Yo, this is a wonderful, this universe is so wonderful and varied. Just think of what I'm trying to tell you. Our galaxy is falling towards the great attractor that is pulling it. But yet, as our galaxy falls, our sun is falling towards the center of the galaxy, trying to keep up with it. And as our sun is falling towards it, our Earth, well, goddammit, you better keep falling with the sun. And we have stable orbits. We live in halcyon times, man. This is the time. Eat, drink, be merry. For tomorrow, we die. Merry Christmas.